Want to go viral on TikTok with a dance that stops the scroll? Stick with me, and I'll show you how to nail any TikTok dance challenge in just 5 easy steps. Hey, dance fam! Welcome to the ultimate guide to crushing TikTok dance challenges like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned mover, these 5 simple steps will have you grooving with confidence, racking up views, and maybe even landing on the For You page. So grab your phone, turn up the music, and let's dive into this evergreen tutorial that's going to make you the star of TikTok. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic tips. And check the link in the description for digital marketing products to grow your wealth online. Step 1. Pick the perfect challenge. First things first, choose a dance challenge that vibes with you. Scroll through TikTok's trending sounds or hashtags like number dance challenge or number viral dance to find what's hot. Look for moves that match your skill level, something catchy but doable. Pro tip, pick a challenge with a trending audio track to boost your visibility. Why? TikTok's algorithm loves trending sounds, and that's your ticket to billions of views. Once you've got your challenge, save the sound and watch a few videos to get hyped. Ready? Let's move to the next step. Step 2. Break down the moves like a detective. Here's where the magic happens. Watch the original dance video frame by frame. Slow it down if you need to. Most TikTok dances are short, about 15 to 30 seconds, so focus on the key moves. Notice the arm swings, footwork, or head tilts. Break it into chunks. Maybe the first 8 counts are a step touch, then a spin. Write it down or record yourself narrating the steps. This detective work makes learning way easier. And trust me, even pros like Charlie D'Amelio break it down like this. Keep practicing these chunks and you're halfway there. Step 3. Practice with purpose. Now, let's get moving. Practice each section slowly in front of a mirror or your phone's front camera. Start with the feet, then add arms, and finally, layer in the attitude because TikTok is all about personality. Use a metronome app or count the beats to stay on rhythm. Here's a secret. Record your practice sessions. Watching yourself helps spot where you're slaying and where you need polish. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes a day, and in just a week, you'll see massive progress. Consistency is key, so don't skip this step. Step 4. Film like a content creator. Ready to make your dance pop on screen? Once you've nailed the moves, it's time to film. Lighting is everything. Natural light or a ring light works wonders. Set your phone on a tripod or prop it against a stable surface. Wear bold, colorful outfits that stand out but don't distract from your moves. Film multiple takes from different angles. Try a full body shot and a close up for variety. Use TikTok's in app effects or filters to add flair, but keep it simple so the dance shines. Edit your clips with quick cuts to match the beat, and boom, you've got a scroll stopping video. Step 5. Post, promote, and engage. You've got your masterpiece. Now let's make it go viral. Post during peak TikTok hours like evenings or weekends when your audience is most active. Use trending hashtags like TikTok dance, learn to dance, and viral challenge to boost discoverability. Write a catchy caption that invites engagement, like tag a friend who needs to try this. Respond to comments to build a community. Fans love creators who interact. Share your video on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram Reels for maximum reach. And here's the kicker. Check the link in the description for digital marketing tools to skyrocket your online growth and turn your passion into profit. So what's stopping you? You're just 5 steps away from dancing your way to TikTok fame. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your crew. Practice these steps, post your dance, and tag me to show off your skills. For more ways to grow your brand and wealth online, click the link in the description for game-changing digital marketing products. Now go slay that dance floor, and I'll see you on the For You page.